Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag dishwasher upper dish rack wheel assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new upper dish rack wheel assembly. The upper dish rack wheel assembly is what the upper rack rolls in and out on. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and the upper rack isn't rolling in and out properly. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we can remove the upper rack. We're going to grab both rails and pull them out so we can remove the end caps. The end caps have little arrows pointing in and these little thumb cutouts. So all you have to do is press on them to release them. Once you have it released, you can pull the end cap out of the rail and set it aside. The one on the other side comes out the same way. With the end caps off, we can pull the upper rack out. And we're going to set it on the counter carefully so we don't damage or scratch it. And we're going to turn it upside down so it sits flat. All the upper dish rack wheels are changed out the same way. They have a locking tab that locks it onto the dish rack. All you have to do is release the tab and then you can pull the wheel off. Here's the old upper dish rack wheel assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. If your wheel assembly doesn't come snapped together, all you have to do is push the axle into the wheel. Once you have it snapped together, we can put it on the dish rack. To put the new wheel assembly on, we're going to line it up with the axle and push it all the way on. Once you have it all the way on, we can rotate the locking tab up and lock it onto the rack. Once you have it in place, we can put the upper dish rack back in the dishwasher. To put the dish rack back in, we're going to carefully lift off the countertop and turn it over. Then we can line the rollers up with the rails and push it back into place. Once you have it all the way back, we can grab the rails and pull them out like we did before so we can put the end caps back on. You want to make sure you line the end cap up so when you snap it in, the arrows will be pointing towards the center of the rack. Then we can push it into the rail and snap it into place. Once we have this side done, we can go to the other side. Once you have both end caps snapped back in, you can push the upper rack back in. Once you have the rack in, we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.